What if this morning you had your coffee outside, underneath the canopy of oaks, pines, and poplars? What if that inspired you to stretch, and in so doing, you find yourself more connected to nature, more rooted in goodness? You find yourself loving the thoughtful simplicity, drowning out the noise. And what if there was a community that valued these same things? Connection to nature, connection to your neighbors, connection to yourself. That community is NOVEL Mallard Creek.
A person walks into a building with vaulted and beamed ceilings, white stone facades, and tall windows.
And we're here to provide that small town setting with genuinely thoughtful amenity spaces, designed for your own experiences and memories. Places and spaces meant to inspire impromptu gatherings and great conversations that last into the night. And within arm's reach, greenways, gardens, groceries, and golf. And plenty of opportunities to continue social hour. The ultimate retreat to live your best life.
A group of people laugh, talk and drink beer at a brewery. A person relaxes in the sunlight next to an in-ground pool. People exercise in a gym.
So, lots can change when you decide to have your coffee outside. Come by NOVEL Mallard Creek, and we'll save you a cup.
Two people give cheers with their coffee cups as they sit outside. Views of Charlotte, North Carolina. Text, NOVEL, Mallard Creek. Equal housing opportunity.